तो अभी क्वेश्चन कहता है कि वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूब इज इंक्रीजिंग एट अ कांस्टेंट रेट, ठीक है। वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज हो रहा है कांस्टेंट रेट पे। प्रूव दैट द इंक्रीज इन सरफेस एरिया वेरीज इनवर्सली as the length of the edge of wait what volume of fluid is increasing at a constant rate, ठीक है। हमारी वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज हो रहा है, वो dv by dt constant increase ऐसा कुछ होगा क्या? Prove that increase in surface area increase varies inversely as the length of the cube decreases. Length of the cube 1 upon L, bro. Something like that. All right, let's see what ChatGPT has to say. ChatGPT said, I mean, okay, volume is increasing at a constant, means dv by dt equals to some figure number. This is called the constant number k. Okay, I'm gonna call it c. Varies inversely uh, as the length of the edge. Means we want to prove that the rate of surface area looks like this. Yep, this should be increasing and this should be decreasing. Use the volume to find the volume of a cube. Okay. Okay, so volume of a cube is x y two. So, right? So dv by dt is equals to 3x squared. And this is given as constant. So 3c squared should be right. C is equals to 3c squared. Now can I cancel one cc out? Can I? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see what ChatGPT has to say. Oh wait, I'm so stupid. How could I forget? dc by dt. Okay, now I can. dc by dt is equals to 3c. I think. Nope, I'm wrong. derivative of 3x squared dx by dt. This would be k, okay? Oh no, I'm right. Oh, but that is k, not c, and this should be c. Okay, it's some constant. I'm gay. Oh, it should be L. I'm stupid. What is this? An L cube. Let me just do it x, bro. Make my life easier. 3x. Oh wait, but no. Constant would be integrated. No, this would be x dx. dx by dt. dv by dt is c. Put that. Let me just delete this whole line. You know what? So the corner line. And this should be c. Yeah. And then it should be divided by 3x squared, which is dx by dt. Okay. dx by dt is divided by 3x squared. है ना? ठीक है, लग रहा है सरफेस एरिया का फॉर्मूला होता है 6x स्क्वायर। सरफेस एरिया क्या होता है क्यूब का 6x स्क्वायर, है ना? तो अब इसको इंटीग्रेट करते हैं डी एस सरफेस एरिया बाय डी टी। ये टाइम से नहीं होगा, मैं गधा है ना, टाइम से होगा। अच्छा ना ना 12x। Why am I stressing out? No one's gonna watch this. Then there should be 1 upon x, no? I'm gonna put 12x and हमें x को भी तो t से वो करना होगा भाई, dx by dt, है ना? आदि हाँ, 1 upon x is equals to 12x dx by dt, and then dx by dt is equals to 1 upon 12 x squared. All right. Now do I put these in with each other? Let me just see. C by man. Oh my god, done. C by 3x squared don't rage bait me, pen. Is equals to 1 upon 12 x squared. Now do I do this? 3 is equals to 3x squared by 12 x squared. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. X squared gets x squared. And constant is equals to 1 upon 4. Is this my final answer, ChatGPT? Let me ask. Please degrade me, Gemini. What the hell? Oh, okay. You've set up individual pieces perfectly. Your formulas are really for volume differentiation, dv by dt, 3x squared, dx by dt, and the surface area differentiation, dsa by dt is equal to 12 by dx by dt. I completely right. You correctly chose C as a constant. However, your logic got tangled in the middle of columns because you assume that you're supposed to prove. In a proof question, you cannot start by plugging in your goal. Oh, I'm stupid. You have to treat the right column as a completely separate puzzle. Build up and see. Build it up and see if it automatically turns into inverse relationship at the very end. Let's figure the flow so it reads like a flawless proof. Where your logic shifted. On your right column, you substituted uh, dsa by dt row upon x. Because of that, you ended up solving for a specific value c is equals to 1 upon 4. Instead of leaving it as a general proof or any constant way. The correct way. From your left column, you have successfully isolated dx by dt is equal to c by 3x squared. From the right column, your direct derivative of its area is 12x dx by dt. Right? Hey, bird. Yeah, 12x dx by dt. Yep, 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 Yepers. Oh, so I put this into this. Oh my god, an IQ too high? An IQ too high? So this should be. I saw you then. Okay then. dsa by dt is equals to 12x into 3x. No. C divided by 3x squared. Did I cancel out now? Maybe. So 4 to 12. 4c divided by x should be. ChatGPT. Okay. Yeah, you put this values in. 12. Yeah. If I, dude, I cannot read whatever your black is, bro. Yeah, 4c upon x. Okay, I got that. Okay, what do we do now? Divide. Yeah, I know math, bro. The final conclusion. Since c is a constant, multiplying it by 4 creates another constant value. Let's call it k, where x is equal to 4c. So dsa by dt is equal to k upon x. Whenever a rate looks like constant upon x, it means it varies inversely as x. क्या कहा इसने? कह रहा है कि when a rate looks like constant upon x, है ना? It means that it varies inversely at that. अच्छा, कोई भी कांस्टेंट है, मतलब कोई भी कांस्टेंट वो x के ऊपर है, तो इसका मतलब होता है कि जो वेरी इनवर्सली इनवर्स, ठीक है, इट वेरीज इनवर्सली ऐसे, और एक समझ के लेंथ, एज लेंथ, ठीक है, समझ आ गया। तो इससे हमारी ये प्रूव आ गया ना कि सरफेस एरिया का रेट ऑफ चेंज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल है लेंथ ऑफ द एज ऑफ द लेंथ का। ओके ओके, ओके, तो मैं बोल दूंगा अब कि for c is equals to k dsa by dt, then I would say dsa by dt is equals to k upon x, and for my explanation, is it this one or is it this one? Therefore, henceforth, what are these called? I completely forgot. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, so constant upon x means, what does it mean again? That it means if whenever it looks like rate looks like constant upon x, it means it varies inversely. That means it varies inversely. I don't know why. Okay, so I would say dsa upon dt is like, oh, because it's k. So I can write it, as boom, 1 upon x, because k become x. Oh damn, that makes sense. Oh damn. Let me get this box. No, I cannot get this box. Oh yeah. I'll just create a new box. Perfect. Everything is perfect. Like perfect cell. Guys, these boxes are really necessary. If you ask me, these boxes are super necessary. Can I copy this? Oh, I can copy. God damn. I didn't even know. I didn't know this. Yeah, well, imposter on X. Okay, guys, I did it. Let me get my praise from Daddy Gemini. Am I correct? Is this correct? You're absolutely flawless. He corrected the proof perfectly, crossing out the middle section and rewriting the function DSA by dt is equal to 12x into constant divided by 3x squared. Makes the logic totally alright. The final conclusion box, DSA is exactly how it should be presented in an exam. Good job. Wait. Let me stop recording now. Let me do the question 7.